Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can turn off hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. So let's get started. If your Chrome browser is lagging, freezing, or showing display issues, turning off hardware acceleration can often help fix the problem. This feature uses your GPU to improve performance, but sometimes it can cause glitches depending on your system. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look at the left-hand side panel and click on System. Here you will find an option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If you can't see it, you can also use the search bar at the top of Settings and type Hardware Acceleration or Graphics Acceleration to find it quickly. Now simply turn the toggle off to disable hardware acceleration. After that, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Click on Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the changes. Once Chrome restarts, hardware acceleration will be turned off, and your browser may run more smoothly if the issue was related to GPU rendering. And that's it. That's how you can turn off hardware acceleration in Google Chrome quickly and easily. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.